pretty bullish about ETH. I think ETH will get back to a new all-time high. Solana has been the cool kid because it's been the center of meme coins and the technology is very exciting. But if you look at the things people are bullish on, they're based on ETH. ETH is the contrarian bet in crypto right now. ETH is the largest platform for stablecoins. It's got the highest share of tokenization, like an 80% market share. And most of the agentic AI stuff is on ETH. And maybe people ask, well, how can ETH do well and Solana do well? It's because I think we're going to 100x them.
In terms of price for Solana?
I think it could get to, what is it, 150 now? I think it get to.
What's your biggest prediction for the next 12 months?
Biggest prediction within crypto. I'm really bullish. Bullish. I mean, I think, I know that's too easy to say. We can get to a more specific prediction if you want, but unless you lived in crypto the last 4 years, you didn't know how challenging it was and how repressed the industry was from the regulatory overhang. And as a result, I think people don't understand how good it is now and how significant forward will be in crypto. So my general prediction is just it's going to be an amazing year in crypto. I know it's noisy. I know it's good news and bad news, but I think there's just tidal wave and positive change.
I usually never do like price prediction and all that stuff because it's kind of noise. But now that we talk about that, you see, I'm so bullish. People are kind of like, yeah, it's very noisy. So that one day they're super bullish, the day after they're down. A lot of people got wrecked on all these shit coins, right? And they had the majority of the portfolio in. So to give a bit of hopium,
yeah,
I remember some time ago, you guys released a paper saying, giving some price targets.
We did.
For 2025 for Bitcoin, ETH, and Solana.
Yeah.
Tell me more about that.
I mean, we'll start with Bitcoin. We think Bitcoin's going to 200,000 or above this year.
2025.
25. My view is if you look at Bitcoin, I don't want to go too far into prices, but if you look at Bitcoin since the ETF launched, it's done two things. So first it ran from 50,000 to 72,000, and then it traded sideways. And then it ran from 72,000 to 100,000, and then effectively traded sideways with a lot of volatility. I think that tells you everything you need to know about the market. The ETF introduced structurally more demand for Bitcoin than there is new supply. It bought 500,000 Bitcoin last year. We're producing 165,000. So there's more demand. So why did it trade to 72,000? That was the last all-time high. People are people. They're willing to sell at the all-time highs. Why did it trade to 100,000 and then stop there? It's a round number. That's it. So people were willing to trade at $100,000.
I love it.
The reason I bring that up is I think if we get north of 100,000, the next place where 200, right? And it'll probably stop there. And, boy, that doesn't sound like a sophisticated CIO view.
But you said before, I have one alpha, which is like the long-term big picture alpha.
That's right.
Keep it stupid simple,
Keep
right?
it stupid simple. There's more demand than supply, and people are people. I think that tells you how this thing
people are people.
Yeah.
ETH.
Yeah, I think ETH, I'm bullish on everything. I realized maybe that's not that interesting. I think ETH will get back to a new all-time high. I think ETH is the contrarian bet in crypto right now. And here's my argument for ETH. What are the things people are most excited about outside of Bitcoin in a serious way right now? They're probably most excited about stablecoins. They're most excited about tokenization, and they're most excited about agentic AI, right? We just talked about those things. Where are those three things happening? It's all happening on ETH, right? ETH is the largest platform for stablecoins. It's got the highest share of tokenization, like an 80% market share. And most of the agentic AI stuff is on ETH or Base or whatever. I don't know. Like, I know Solana has been the cool kid because it's been the center of meme coins and the technology is very exciting. But if you look at the things people are bullish on, they're based on ETH. And so I'm pretty bullish about ETH. So I think it gets back to new all-time highs. I think Solana also does well. And maybe people ask, well, how can ETH do well and Solana do well? It's because I think we're going to 100x the number of people interacting with these blockchains. And they have different value props, Solana and ETH. One is more institutional, one is more retail. And so I think they're both going to do fine. So I think Solana will do quite well as well.
What does that mean in terms of price for Solana?
I think it could get to 400, 450, maybe more. Not 10x. That's the challenge for people. But 2x is great. 3x is amazing. Right? That's those are, in traditional finance, those are life-changing returns. And in crypto, they can be really significant as well.